What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the Man Fam. And today I actually have a very special video. I'm so excited. So yeah. What? Fancy seeing y'all here? What are you doing? So yeah, here we go.
I like everything about you. Everything about you.
Oh, I promise I'm not sick. It's just my asthma, you know? You know I see it, you know?
Alright guys, we're done with the singing performance and I cry.
Me too.
Now we're eating pizza at this place called Route 12. Look at that car, oh my gosh. Or we're sitting down at this restaurant now waiting for our pizzas, but right now we are planning for an upcoming special video.
PEP-C.
It's like, yeah, it's like a Valentine's video. Basically, we're just doing like Secret Santa drawing, even though there's like 4 of us. Okay. Did you get yourself?
Yes. No, you didn't. I did, I swear. I swear I got myself.
Oh my god.
I'm just like, do you want some sunglasses?
You still filming, Caroline?
So for today's video, I'm really excited because this morning, there's my dad. This morning, my dad came in my room and gave me this package from YouTube, and I think it's my silver play button. Let me just cover my address, but it basically looks like this. I just decided, I was like, you know what, after school, I'll open it. But then I get home and there's another one. What are you doing?
I know.
Whole family's coming in here. So I don't know if this is 2 play buttons. If it is, that would be kind of cool, but I'm pretty sure they're only supposed to send one. We have a black box, guys. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. There's this letter. Here you go. Look at it.
Wow. Very nice.
Guys! Oh my gosh.
By accident.
I know. Oh look, it has videos on it. So it says Caroline Manning for passing 100,000 subscribers, and it's beautiful. And then I don't know what to do with this one. This is crazy. Like, I can't even, and I can't believe that they sent me 2. Like, okay, I need to post about this. This is like worthy. All right, so each letter says, Caroline, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you've created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. And then there's just a bunch of stuff, but it's signed by Susan something, who's the CEO of YouTube. So thank you so much, guys. If you, oh, I just threw that. Hi to the vlog. Hey! If you are subscribed, thank you so much, because none of this would have been possible without you. So I'm very grateful for all of my Man Fam subscribers. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I know this was short, so I'm really sorry. And if you didn't like the video, don't do anything. Love y'all so much, and have a great rest of your day. Bye!